Assalamualaikum and hi students. Okay, today we will learn about chapter 4.2, which is union of set. Okay, the last lesson we already learned about the intersection of set, but today we will look at the union of set. Okay. There are two standard learning that we focused for today class, which is the first one, 4.2.1, determine and describe the union of set using various representation. And then the second one is 4.2.2, determine the complement of the union of set. Okay, this is the set of data. First, we take a look for the example on how we do the union of set. Okay, this is a set of data. Okay, in this data, this is a survey about pupils who likes to read, surfing the internet, or playing the sport. Okay, there are 10 pupils that are involved in this survey, in this data. And then after we have this data, we convert into a table form, which is like this. Okay, the first row is the name of people who likes to read, and next is who likes to surf the internet, and then who likes to play the sport. And then under each of this label is the list of the name of the pupils, okay, from this set of data. And then after we convert it into the data, we write the name of pupils representing each of the given set using set notation. Okay, how we convert it into set notation? Okay, like this. Okay, this is in set notation. Okay, set A is a pupils who like reading, meanwhile set B is a pupils who like surfing the internet, and set C is the pupils who like playing sport. Okay, and then for the set A, the list of the name of pupils who likes to reading is Amira, Mei, Habibah, Kamal. Okay, and then for the set B is Kiran, Adeline, Karim, Sophie. And the last one is set C, Karim, Ranjit, Kamal, Farhan. Okay, next. After we do in sets notation, then we take a look for this symbol. Okay, this is symbol. This looks like U letter. Okay. This symbol is represent all the element in set P or set Q or in both set P and Q, which is union of set P and Q. How to determine the union? Let's say this example. Okay, A union B. A just now is a pupil who likes to read, and B is a pupil who likes surfing the internet. A union B is all pupils who like reading or surfing the internet. Okay, the list of the name is Amira, Mei, Habibah, Kamal, Kiran, Adeline, Karim, Sophie. All of the element in set A or set B or both set A and B. Okay, we combine this set A and set B. We combine both elements from set A and set B. This is why we call union of set. Okay, and then A union C. Okay, all pupils who likes reading or playing sport. And then we combine all of the elements in set A and set C. Okay, this will be elements of A union C. which is Amira, Meyi, Habibah, Kamal, Karim, Ranjit, Farhan. Okay, if the name is came out two times in set A, just like this Kamal, Kamal name has have in set A, it also have in set C. So we have to write just one time only in the union form. Okay, next is B union C, all people who like surfing the internet or playing sport. And then this is the list of the name, which is Kiran, Adeline, Karim, Sophie, Ranjit, Kamal, and Farhan. Okay, the last one is set A union set B union set C. All of these three sets is combined together, which is all people who likes reading, surfing the internet or playing sport, which is Amira, Meyi, Habibah, Kamal, Kiran, Adeline, Karim, Sophie, Ranjit, and Farhan. There are 10 students that involved in this survey. So all of the 10 students was the element of set A union set B union set C. Okay, next. How to determine the unions of two or more sets using Venn diagram. Okay, to determine the union, we must represent through the shaded region. Okay, for example, in this first box, which is P union Q. Okay, these circles represent set P, meanwhile this circle represents set Q. Okay, just now the definition of unions is the all element in the set P or set Q or both element in set P and set Q, all of the element. So the shaded region will be all in this region. Okay, this is the shaded region of the unions for this set P union set Q. And next we take a look at this kind of Venn diagram. Okay, P union Q. The big circle is set P and the small circle is set Q. So P union Q will be combined, okay, together, and we shade this region. Okay, correct. And now for the third one is like in this kind of Venn diagram. Okay, Q union R. Q is this circle, R is this circle, and then we combine both of these sets all together, and then we shade this region like this. Okay, next. Okay, the last one is the same Venn diagram as before. Okay, but it's involving three sets that being combined together, which is set P union set Q union set R. Okay, set P is this circle, set Q is this circle, and set R is this circle. So we combine all of this circle all together and we shade this region like this. Okay, next we take a look for the example. So the example is, it is given that set P is a factor of 24, set Q is multiple of 3 which are less than 20, and set R multiple of 4 which are less than 20. List the elements of the union of set P and Q, then draw a Venn diagram. Okay, the question asks to find the element of the union set P and Q only. Then draw a Venn diagram. First, we list down the set P and set Q. Okay, set P is a factor of 24, which is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. set Q is a multiple of 3 which are less than 20, which are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And then the question asks to find the union of set P and Q. Okay, it is represented in this set notation, P union Q. Okay, then we how to do this operation is we combine all of these elements from the set P and set Q, so it will be the element for P union Q, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24. Okay, this is the element of P union Q. Next, we draw the Venn diagram. Okay, I will show you step by step from step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay, this is the answer that we have found out just now. Okay, from the first step, okay, we draw 3 circles. Okay, there are 3 sets in the question just right now, which is set P, set Q, and set R. Okay, this is the element in set P, and this is element of set Q, and this one is element in set R. And then we combine this set, we find the common set, and we draw just like this. Okay, this is set P. Okay, set P has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. It still have this element. Meanwhile, set Q have element of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. Okay, it's the same as the first step. And then we check for this set R, which is it have 4, 8, 12, and 16. Okay, it's the same as this one. And then the question asks to shade the region which is to represent the P union Q. And then for the step number 3, we shade the region. Okay, P union Q is this element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 15, 18, 24. Okay, 9 also. Okay, this part, this circle and this circle. Okay, we will shade this region. Okay, that is how we are using a Venn diagram to represent this kind of operation. And then for the complement of the union of set, just now we already learn about the union of set. Now we jump into the complement of the union of set. What is mean by complement of the union of set? Okay, it is can be written as in this kind of set notation, which is A union B. Okay, this is complement of union of set A union set B. Okay, how to know this is a complement is from this symbol. Okay, this symbol is just like comma but above of this set notation. Okay, if the set notation have this kind of symbol, okay, this means that it is the complement. Okay, it can be read as the complement of the union of set A and set B. Okay, this is how we read this set notation. And then what is mean by complement of the set? Yeah, complement of the union of set, which is all elements not in set A and set B. Okay, all the element that is not in set A and set B. This is the key point. Not. Okay, not means that it is complement. Now we take a look for the how to shape the region by using a Venn diagram. Okay, to represent the complement of union by using Venn diagram. Okay, from the first one, the complement of set P union set Q. Okay, we know that P union Q is this part. Okay, this one. But this is the complement of union. So it must be not the element of set P union set Q. So if it's not, it was out here. Okay, so we shade the region, okay, for the outer part. Okay, next we take a look for this kind of Venn diagram. Okay, we know that P union Q is this part. Okay, we shade this part, but this is the complement of union, so we shade for the outer part. Okay, like this. Oops. Okay, next. Okay, this is the third Venn diagram. Okay, P union R. Okay, P is the rectangle shape. R is the small oval shape. P union R is the region of this one. Okay, this is the region, but this is the complement of union, so it must be not element of set P union set R, so it must be out of this region. So we shade like this. Okay, it is not element of set P union set R. Okay, next, P union Q union R. We know that this P, okay, this is set P, this is set Q, then this is set R. So if three of this set is union, okay, it is this part. But this is a complement of union, so it must be out of the union part. Okay, we shade the Venn diagram just like this. Okay, out of the union part. Okay, for the example, list all the elements of the following set. Okay, it's given a Venn diagram just like this. Okay, for the A, okay, this circle is set A and this circle is set B. Okay, so for the solution, we take a look one by one. The element of set A is 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, but the question asks to find the complement of set A. If it's complement of set A, it must be not element of set A. Okay, if it's not the element of set A, so the answer will be 3, 4, 7, 8. And then for this question B, okay, set B is element of set B is 1, 2, 3, 4. But the question asks to find the complement of set B, so it must be not element of set B. Okay, so the answer is 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last one is A union B. Okay, we determine the element of A union B. Okay, we combine these two sets and we will get the element of A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the question asks to find the complement of A union B, which is the element is 7, 8. Okay, this is how we do this kind of question. Okay, next example, shade the region that represents the given set. Okay, this is the A first. We take a look for the A first. Okay, this is the Venn diagram, and then this is the set notation. Complement of A union B. A union B is this part. Okay, this circle is set A, meanwhile this rectangle is set B. Okay, A union B is this part. Okay, but the complement of set A union set B is the other part beside then this union part. Okay, we shade like this. Okay, the one that's not the element in this set A union set B. Okay, next question B. A union B union C. Set A union with set B union with set C. So for the union region is in this part. But the question asks to find the complement of set A union set B union set C. The complement, the not element in this A union B union C. So it must be at the outer part. We shade it like this. Okay, I hope you understand how to determine the union and the complement of the union. Okay, now for the task. Okay, for today's task, please do exercise in activity module page 54 until 57. Okay, please finish all of your tasks by this week. Okay, in this week. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, I hope to see you in the next class. Bye.